Kia ora. Welcome to Edge Learning. In this video we're going to have a look at using Assay as a tutor teacher.
The first thing we're going to have a look at is this global dashboard. What this global dashboard allows us to do is come in and have a look at a particular year level and the students inside it and drill that down to a tutor class if necessary. For example, we're going to have a look at a year 12 tutor class and we're going to have a look at this tutor class here. What this shows us is that all of the students in this tutor class have got 85% or more attendance. Most of them have got their level 1 literacy, but this student here doesn't. Very few of them have got their UE literacy, and most of them have got their numeracy apart from this one student here. We can also see how many students have passed level 1 so far, and we can see no students have passed level 2 or level 3. If we come in and have a look at the credits, we can have a look at the credits that are gained in all years and the credits that have been gained so far in this year for this particular group of students. If we come and have a look at level 1, we can see that this many students have got a merit endorsement in level 1 because they've got 50 or more level 1 credits, and these students were getting close to there, and same for the excellence credits. We can also drill down to an individual student to have a look at where they are in terms of each of these as well. The other thing we can have a look at is we can have a look at the growth dashboard. What this allows us to do is it allows us to gauge student performance over time. So if we come back into that same year 12 tutor class, we can click on these students here. Now these are the students who gained a PAT average of 9 in year 9. We can see all of them ended up with an average of 9 in year 10 as well, and they all ended up in these excellence groups. If we were to click on this group, we can see that there was a bit of a split of where they ended up in year 10 and where they ended up in year 11. They're all sitting on merit averages. If we take off this tutor class, we can also look at the whole year level, and we can have a look at individual students. What this line shows us is it shows us the average performance of that student over time. So we can see in year 9 they started off fairly low. In year 10 there was a bit of a step up. Year 11 they were performing below where their year 10 PAT said they should be, but there's been a huge increase in their performance so far in year 12. The other thing that can be useful to do is to get a table of values for our students. What we can do is we can come into the wizard mode, teacher, a table with attendance and credits info for my ... class, which is great for tutor groups. And we're going to have a look at our form time. Now this is a level 3 class. So what this shows me is that for each student it shows me their attendance, which I can click on the top of these columns to sort them. Their enrollment status if they've left, the number of pastoral items so I can instantly highlight students that may be an issue, number of level 3 credits that they've got so far so we can see who's getting close to getting level 3 and who we might need to provide some extra support for, and same for merit and excellence credits added up together so we can see who's close to their merit endorsement and also who's close to their excellence endorsement. We can also see if there's any students that don't have numeracy, which all of this class does, and any students that don't yet have their literacy. We can also see the number of credits that they've passed this year, the percentage of achievement standard credits passed at excellence this year. We use this to help us work out who our ducks is going to be. The estimated level 3 credits excluding upcoming externals and the level 3 credits that we estimate they will get. Now this is based off a relatively simple formula. It's the percentage that they've passed times by the percentage that's available. But it's a good way to keep track of which students may, if they continue going at the same rate of performance, not meet the required number of credits to pass the year.
Thanks for watching.